Okay guys, so this will be the first video of this new project. I'm just kind of introducing the project in this video for you. Let me show you what the final looks like. So you have your little spaceship coming across, changing direction a couple times, and then I have it kind of warping off. Now, you can do something similar, you can do something a little different, you could have it land on a planet, variety of choices, but I wanted to change direction a couple times and experiment with both classic tweens and motion tweens. Okay, so if you look at this setup here, this is super important because I think some of you ran into problems with the car because you're just learning this program and you weren't really paying attention to your layers. So looks complicated, but I just have everything broken up. A lot of this, from Planet 5 all the way down to space, is simply art that doesn't do anything, just kind of in the background. All right, so I created these these layers. I put one piece of art on each layer, and all these planets I've turned into symbols, and I'll show you in the next tutorial how to do that. I also have motion clips. So if you look in my library, movie clip symbols versus graphic symbols. Right here, the planets. If you look at that icon, that's a graphic symbol. And symbol 1, symbol 2, warp, flash, and wormhole. The rocket ship with engines in the galaxy, all of those were movie clip symbols. And movie clip symbols will not play in the timeline. So they will play if I export, if I hit Control Enter, or I hit this play button and I want to preview my animation. That's when the movie clip symbols will animate. Okay, so if you look here, so it seems complicated, but really I have the ship on one layer with two classic tweens. First classic tween, it comes in here. Second classic tween, it moves. I have it hanging out for a second, and then I put yellow here as motion tweens because I messed with the Z and the vanishing point to make it look like it's getting smaller, and then I had a little warp window here. I do have a moon going around one of the planets, and I did that in the symbol itself. So that's just a basic overview of what this can look like. I'll show you how I did this in the next videos.